What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be walking around a 1970 Plymouth Duster. I'm going to try to point out all the flaws I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. It's a 318 under the hood with cold AC. Once I get done with this video, we're also going to go for a test drive. So it's a two-part video. And the last 30 seconds of this one, you'll be able to find the test drive. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. We have finance options and shipping options. We ship all over the country, pretty much daily. You can check us out on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. We do all the social media. And here on YouTube, full lot walk-arounds, test drives, and all of our inventory. All right, guys, we're gonna get started here. Starting up in the front, I'm gonna do the lower portion of the car and look for any issues. The front bumper on this one is in pretty good shape. Looks like it's got some bugs on it still. Send it back to detail. The grill has a crack right here in the corner on both sides. Needs a little love. Get down the side of the car. Pretty good shape. Looks really straight. We're going to check the lower portion of the panels, and then we'll come back through the mid section. I'm looking for any kind of work that's been done on it, or paint runs, or chips, or rust. But it looks really solid. Really clean car. You do got a paint run right here in the corner. Try to make that pop up best I can. Let's go down the midsection now. Stripes look nice and neat. We do got a chip in one of them right here. And the door handle does have some scratches on it. A little crease in the door there. Top side of the car is in great condition. Coming up to the windshield, the trim looks pretty good. Windshield doesn't look to have any chips in it or scratches. Mirrors are nice and clean. Roof looks pretty good. Coming up to the back, we're getting ready to check out the trunk. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood, so I'm not fumbling my camera. The lid itself's in great shape. The weather stripping looks fairly new. Lift it up, take it out. We got a spare, we do. Under the spare, got a little bit of rust. Down in that well there. All right, let's keep looking around the trunk here. Seems to be in fairly good condition otherwise. That one little spot down there where the water settles. Let's look at the package tray. Very solid. That's nice and clean. So far, so good. Let's put this mat back in. I'll fix the mat later. Get it at least flipped over here. All right, shut the trunk lid down. Comes down nice and easy. Back end looks good. Back bumper's not in bad shape at all. Nice and clean. We're gonna do the same thing down this side. Look at the lower portion, go back the middle and hit the top. Coming down this side of the car, we got a little road tar or something right there in the corner. Coming down the side some more. Trying to go slow for y'all. It looks solid. I mean, I'm not really seeing any issues here. Let's go back to midsection. Nice and clean. Coming up the top section here. Door handles look nice and clean as well. And down the pillars. Mirrors look good. All right, guys, we've made it all the way around this car. We're gonna go ahead and jump on the interior and check it out. Go ahead and be thinking, we do a little game. I think the horn works. Got the green interior to match the paint. Headliner's nice and tight. Pretty good. Check the door panel out here. Weather stripping looks fairly good. You got a little spot in the corner of your panel. There's another little slit right here. Some scratches right there where people kick the door getting in and out. A little oxidation on your door handle. Carpet's in pretty good shape. This is a 3-speed car. Dash is in pretty good shape. Go ahead and start her up. It's got a safety switch, which is good. You don't want to start it in gear. Our fuel gauge did come up. Temperature's still cold. Alternator gauge is working. Showing 78,000 miles. Can't stand behind that. It's a 70 model. Show you the mileage, but like I said, we'll go ahead and try our wipers. They work. Radio. It was already on. It ain't working. No radio in this one. AC. And it's blowing. I don't know if y'all can hear that in the camera. It's blowing cold. Cold AC. All right, we'll try the horn. Y'all ready? No horn on this one. I had one work just a second ago. All right, let's cut the AC off. We don't need it. Got the dual exhaust dumped down towards the ground. Motor's pretty quiet on this one. I got the Optima battery. Everything's still cold. Nice quiet 318. Pulling down on the hood, it's coming down nice and slow. Gotta firmly press it down. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do some undercarriage shots. Check out maplemotors.com for detailed pictures. Goes all around the car, just like I just did. If I missed anything, you'll catch it on there. I try not to. Try to be thorough. All right, let's look up under this car, and then we're gonna get to the test drive. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Help me out by sharing the videos, and check out our other social networks: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat. Maplemotors.com is our main website. Type that in your internet search bar to go to our main website and see all of our current inventory that we update every Monday. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car. Financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. We are a family business. Been in business 38 years. And we get about 50 cars a month. So I do appreciate y'all watching. If you want to see the test drive video, which we're about to make, wait till the very end. You'll see it pop up. Should be popping up about right now. It says test drive Duster. Hit that link. Thank y'all for watching. Later, guys.